Hello and welcome to my channel. In this week's video we will examine Qingping door and window sensor. So let's have a look. This sensor is available from online sellers. For instance, on AliExpress you can get it for less than $15 US. As always, I'll put all the relevant links in the video description. This sensor is using BLE to connect, so in order to use it you must have at least one BLE gateway, but more on that later. It is powered by one CR1632 battery and battery life should be around 8 months. It consists of the base and a magnet part, and with it you also get the instruction manual in English, the measure for installing it, and battery. The sensor should start working immediately when you insert the battery, and you can start installing it from Mi Home. Since this is a BLE device, you will also need a BLE gateway. So if you already don't have one, let me point you to the video I made earlier about Qingping Bluetooth gateway. We can have a brief summary of the device here. As you can see, it is a plug-and-play device. You just plug it into the AC outlet and the setup is a breeze. This one is also available for around $15 US on AliExpress, and I'll also put the link in the description below. Once you run Mi Home app, it should be enough to click plus in the upper right hand corner and select add the device. Then wait for about 10-15 seconds and the sensor should become visible to the app. The procedure is pretty much the same as with all Xiaomi Mi Home devices. You just need to select the room the device is located in and you are given the option to rename it. Now let's create one automation in order to see which automations this device supports. And as you can see, it's pretty simple. You have events for when door or window opens, when it closes or stays open for more than 1 minute. Now what remains is that we check under BLE gateways to see if the device is visible. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.